Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Friday Celebration Assembly. You know it's one of my favorite times of the week, and this has been a fantastic week. It has been the week of gratitude, and you have all been so wonderful about celebrating the Thanksgiving with me through each day, showing gratitude with Memory Monday, Thoughtful Tuesday, Whimsical Wednesday, Thankful Thursday, and Family Friday. Thank you so much. You really have made my week. And I loved going home and telling my family all about it each day. Now, it's time for us to look at who are our award winners for this week. First, we have in the Going for Gold Awards. In Lee's class, we have Arian for joining in with a Thanksgiving activity, and Orlo for such enthusiasm for everything he does. In York 1, we have Antonia for working hard to improve his English vocabulary, and Harper P for super knowledge and understanding of special Diwali words. In York 2, we have Evie for super writing of labels to match autumn words, and Russell for making a super robot in the modeling area. We also have in whole class TJ for always being a kind and caring friend, and Connor for excellent resilience and concentrations during his maths test. In Nottingham class, we have SJ for superb effort in his maths test this week, showing great effort. We also have Henry for superb reading in the great effort in his reading test. In Liverpool class, we have Cohen for persevering this week in his maths lessons, and Zach for being ready to learn and trying his best this week. In Cardiff class, we have Leland for super work in maths, and Jacob G.C. for trying hard in his independent writing of a dragon story. In Edinburgh class, we have Caleb for trying hard to improve the content of his writing over his writing unit, and Morny for taking a broad feedback, which will help improve her writing. The teacher has really enjoyed her dragon story. In Cambridge class, we have Zoe for making creative choices in her writing this week, and keep it up, okay? And then we also have Lacey Grace for thinking carefully about our key vocabulary in geography this week. In London class, we have Addison S. for writing an exceptional fantasy quest story, and Nicola for working hard in all aspects of school. In Oxford class, we have Peyton for excellent editing skills, and Tommy for working hard to improve his story writing. Well done to all of you. Let's give them a big hand. Excellent. Well done. Now we have the Year of Knowing Me Awards. In Leeds class, we have Sky for persevering when building a tower with wooden blocks, and Nevaeh for persevering with toileting needs. In York 1, we have Reuben for persevering with his read-write-ink letter sounds and reading a word all by himself using Fred Talk, and Scarlett for always knowing how to be kind and caring to others. In York 2, we have Faith for always being a kind and caring member of the class, and Orlo for remembering to use his manners. In whole class, we have all of whole class, wow, for excellent behavior and problem-solving skills in the parent workshop. In Liverpool class, we have Lexi for helping and supporting others in their math lessons this week, and Alicia for helping a friend in need on the playground. In Cardiff class, we have Grace for always having a positive attitude, and Susanna N. for having lovely manners. In Edinburgh class, we have Amelia C. for always thankful and grateful for the things she does in school, and Ruby Ann for trying her best even when not feeling quite herself this week. In Cambridge class, we have Jacob for sharing a happy memory during the week of gratitude, and Ella for showing kindness and helping others in geography. In London class, we have Joshua for thinking positively about writing his fantasy quest story, and Stuart for positive thinking about his story writing skills. In Oxford class, we have Oscar for settling really well into Oxford class, and Holly for always trying her best and never giving up. Well done to all of our children. Give them a big hand. Well done. So it has been a fantastic week. And now next week is very special. It is Christmas Comes to Newlands. Yes, you're going to start to see the wonderful Christmas decorations going up. And on Thursday, I believe, yes, on the 30th, we have a very special surprise. Very special surprise for everyone in year 1 to year 6. There is something special going to happen. Let's wait and see. I want everyone to have a great weekend. I can't wait to see how next week turns out.